Instagram stories are one of the best ways to engage with your followers, promote your brand or products, and drive referral traffic to your website or other platforms. An animated story with a sleek design is a powerful tool to catch your audience's attention. That's why we created a list of the 10 best Instagram Stories templates for 2022. All the items included on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like Photoshop or Illustrator templates, product mockups, animated icons, and everything in between to bring your brand to life and promote your products on social media. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Instagram Story Slideshow Pack by Ray Braby. We're starting out strong with an Instagram Stories pack featuring 20 unique assets. This pack is editable in After Effects and includes various smooth and elegant slideshow animations that will give your stories a professional finish. Number 9. Rustic Food Menu Instagram Stories by Blue Robin Design Shop. If you're looking to promote your restaurant via Instagram Stories, don't miss this pack. The Rustic Food Menu bundle includes 5 different stories with chalkboard backgrounds and mustard or ketchup strokes that will highlight your dishes. Number 8. Instagram Stories by Sandra Carmen. With a black and white design, rectangular placeholders, and modern typography, this bundle is perfect for creating stunning and fashionable Instagram stories. Download this pack and start creating unique and professional stories. Number 7. Instagram Stories Volume 1 by Joe Production. A 25 stories pack takes the number 7 spot on this list. It includes various animations like slideshows, geometric masks, and animated shape layers, making this kit perfect for fashion imagery, travel slideshows, or showcasing a photography portfolio. Number 6. Instagram Stories Version 1 by One Pro Theme. With a 2-color design, animated typography, and well-organized media placeholders, this template is perfect for creating stories when you want to make big announcements like sales, conferences, or product launches thanks to its sleek and eye-catching design. If you're enjoying this roundup so far, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos where we showcase more stunning assets. Number 5. Optic Instagram Stories by The Realist Network. Optic is a smart yet playful pack for everyday advertising and building a professional presence on your Instagram account. Easy to use and customize, it includes optical patterns, dynamic placeholders, and animated typography. Number 4. 20 Modern Instagram Stories by Nullifier. This pack features 20 Instagram stories with different animations, from brushstrokes and chalk illustrated elements to animated typography and placeholders. It's perfect for showcasing your designs, fashion brand, or travel business. Download this pack and explore the possibilities. Number 3. Brutalism Instagram Stories by Colorama. Brutalism Stories Pack includes 6 unique templates with stunning animations like kinetic typography and great placeholders that will give your stories a disruptive and futuristic finish. Number 2. Instagram Stories Pack by Motion Wizard Studio. The number 2 spot on this list is a massive Instagram Stories Pack for After Effects. It includes over 700 templates with categories like slides, swipe-ups, neon, or corporate. It also has animated backgrounds, titles, and emojis that are perfect for creating your own design. Number 1. Bureau Instagram Stories by MotionRam. Bureau Project is a vast and versatile pack with various animations and designs ready to customize to suit any project, including fashion, sports, online shops, travel, entertainment, or hospitality. Every template feels unique and will give your stories a professional finish. We've come to the end of our list. Let us know in the comments which template suits your brand best. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You may want to click on the video thumbnail shown on your screen. You'll like it, we promise. It's selected just for you. Catch you in the next video.